Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Leo Chen of Levitate Style. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how I style my hair. You guys have been asking me how I style my hair, what product I use, what's my routine. I just got back from the gym. I figure perfect time to do it. I'm going to hop in the shower, then I'll show you my hair routine. Alright guys, so just got out of the shower. As you can see, my hair is still wet. I have your typical Asian straight long black hair. And this is what it looks like right out of the shower. For me, there's really two ways that I would style my long hair. One is obviously going all natural. I won't put any product, just let it kind of go like this. And it's kind of cool because then you have a free day where you go natural. You're not always putting product in your hair and you can just let it flow like this. And hairstyle number two, this is the one that you guys see me all the time in my Instagram, in my YouTube videos. And of course, I put my hair in a man bun, like this. The reason I put product in my hair is because you see all this like extra hair flying around and it's not as sharp. First step, I put in this American Crew pomade. Just kind of take like a fingertip amount, rub it through, and then kind of just put it over the top of the hair. So you have product at the top, so there's no hair sticking out, making sure it's all nice and slick. Also, I like to go all the way to the back of the hair because this is the part where you're going to be tying back and you don't want it to be flying all over the place either. So now I got the product in my hair. It's much more under control, but it's a very easy process. Now I'm going to tie my hair back. So step two to tying the hair, you want to make sure you get all the back hair so there's nothing coming out. Make sure you get all the back hair, and then I like to do a double knot at the top, and then I like to push it in the front so it gives it a little poof. Final step, I like to add just a little bit more of the product just to make sure there's nothing flying out in the last part. Quick recap, I put product on my hair, making sure that it's all nice and slick. And then two, I tie it up in this high man bun top knot. Then I want to push it back a little bit. And then three, final touches, just to have a little bit more product, making sure there's nothing else that's sticking out. So you're all slick and good to go. Another quick note, a lot of you guys have asked me how to get my hair cut. And I actually just go to a barbershop, nothing crazy, but I asked for a mid-skin fade. Cutting it all here, skin, so all completely gone, and then fading it to the top. Let me know if you have any questions about this hairstyle. And this is a little different from what we usually do, but you guys have asked for it. Let me know if there's anything else you want to see on this channel.